G'day DIYs, it's Chris O. How you going? I consider this a very important step, and that's sealing your walls for dust. I use it for waterproofing and for tiling. Waterproof, doesn't stick to dust, and nor does glue, and it doesn't matter what sort of glue you use, or you burn your glue in and all that carry on. Well, it's all a lot of shit if you haven't primed your walls and you're sticking it to a dusty wall. Doing this is a must. And you know, it doesn't take long and it's not expensive. I see people washing their walls with water. I can see the dust as I'm rolling. It's puffing up off my roller. Washing your walls down with a sponge and water, that's not bad, but all you're really doing is spreading it. It's not containing it properly. DIYs, when your plumber has done his plumbing and you've got a nice fitting like that, protect it. Yeah, it comes with a cover, but I like putting tape on it because you get in closer with your waterproof. The owner has done his own sheeting and their own setting, which they didn't really need to, but it's all good. It doesn't have to be a super good job, the setting, because it's all covered with tiles. But this is a super must. The owner has nailed it off well. I've showed examples in the past that tilers have stuck to like the house has been all set and sanded and that sort of thing, and the tiler comes in and he sticks tiles to the walls, and you can just take off your tile like that because everything's so dusty because I've sanded it all. They were only doing their job. But you do not need to sand when you're tiling a bathroom. The setting does not need to be sanded. You don't even need to set it, actually. But in housing estates, you know, it probably says in the book of rules that bathrooms need to be set and sanded and that sort of thing. So the gibrockers are only doing their job, what they're priced for. But there's no need. No need to set or sand in a bathroom. I've been a tiler for 35 years and I feel blessed that I'm still able to tile, that I'm fit enough. And I feel pretty chuffed that I've been doing it for 35 years and I enjoy still what I do. And you get a bit of a buzz when people gladly pay whatever you charge. You still get, I still get goosebumps, a happy feeling. Because you're making people happy. It's pretty cool. I'll come back to you soon. See ya.